All right, today we're making lobster pasta. I'm using, I think it's pronounced casarecce because this is probably my favorite kind of pasta, but you can use spaghetti or bucatini or really whatever you want. We've got a couple of cooked lobsters, probably about 1.5 pounds each, I'm guessing. They're pre-cooked. You can certainly cook them yourself if you know how. If you don't, ask your lobster supplier to cook them for you. And then we got some celery, some onion, tarragon. We've got chives, we've got Italian parsley. We're gonna have some parm in there. We'll squeeze a lemon, a little chili pepper, a little butter, the casarecce, an onion, snow peas, and a whole liter of 35% cream. I don't know what you get around where you are, but the higher the fat you can get, the better. We're going to start with, we're just going to take our onion, and we're just going to give this onion just a rough chop. Throw it in our Dutch oven here, or any large pot you have. A couple of sprigs of tarragon. The celery's seen better days, but it's perfect for this. Same thing, just a quick rough chop. Throw it in. I'm going to take 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. These are decent size. Whew. Onions making my eyes watery. All right, so just give those a smash. That's it. Another one. Throw that right in. Nice little juicy piece of garlic to go in there. Okay, got me a little bowl here. Go. Stretch it out like that. Be very careful if you're not comfortable doing this. Get someone to do it for you. And there we go. That roe and meat out of there. We're going to keep these shells. Just give these just a little rough chop. Some tomoli and some roe. All the good stuff into our bowl. We're just going to throw those into our pot, just like that, with our vegetables. Little meat tenderizer. Yeah, we heard that crack. Throw that shell into that pot. And we'll extract those beautiful claws. Beauty. Look at that. It's so easy. And we're going to take our lobster meat and put it in the fridge while we continue.
Okay, and we have here our Dutch oven with the vegetables and lobster shells. We're going to add that liter of 35% cream and gently heat that until it comes to just a light boil. We're going to turn it down to a gentle simmer until it's reduced by about half, about 40 minutes. In the meantime,
all right, so we're going to be using some snow peas here, which I love. You may or may not need to stringy thingy. When in doubt, string it out.
Are these just beautiful surroundings? It's just gorgeous here. I could live here. Right, babe?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about this beautiful, lush Tuscan hillside.
True.
Right? I mean, very, very lucky, very lucky. Let's slice these up on diagonal, nice and thin. It's gonna look really pretty. It's gonna add a little crunch and crispiness to our dish.
Just a small little handful of parsley. Give it a nice fine chop. Then we can just lump that in with our snow peas because they are going in there together at the same time. Same thing with our chives. I'll just take a wedge of this lemon for squeezing in afterwards.
Now we're gonna boil our pasta in boiling salted water until done, al dente. That cream sauce is looking amazing. It's like a cream soup of lobster and aromatic vegetables. That's just bubbling away. That looks pretty good. It's reduced about 30%. I'm happy with that. We're just gonna strain that through into another pot. Get all that goodness out of there, work it. Strain the rest of that liquid through the sieve as well. Get every last drop. We're gonna save a scoop of water from our pasta water once it's done cooking, just in case we need to thin our sauce out. Put that aside and Pour our strained cream sauce into that pasta and those lobster bits. The sliced snow peas, parsley, and chives. A nice dose of parm. Stir that through. A little more fresh grated parm. Now that's starting to thicken quite nicely. I don't think I'm going to need that pasta water after all. Oh, but a little more parm. A couple of nice cracks of black pepper. And a squeeze of lemon. There's a gratuitous shot of my beautiful wife. Thanks for joining us, and remember, do not subscribe.
Really creamy.
All right, there you have it. Say hi to the camera.
Oh.